Yo, how y'all doing, Peralta students? My name is Corey Hollis. I'm a staff assistant with the Distance Education Department at Peralta District, and I'm about to show you how to forward your Peralta emails to your personal email, right? So, to kick this off, I want to show you all where I found or where someone showed me how to find the right information to do what I'm about to show you in a couple of minutes, right? So let's go there. First, go ahead and come up here to top part of the screen, type in laney.edu, right? From here, search bar, type in forwarding emails. And from there, the first thing that pops up is this, forwarding your Peralta emails to your personal email. Here, I'll click on that. And this little page, if you will, gives you a step-by-step 1, 2, 3 on how to forward your Peralta emails to your personal email. So now that you have the information, I'm going to show you how to do the information, right? Right. Okay, so using this same window, if you will, I'm going to type in Peralta Portal. And come to this site here, and I'm going to sign in as a staff because I am a staff, right? So type in my password. Can't know what that is. And I am going to go to my Outlook. So from Outlook, I'm going to come over here to the right side, top right side bar, and go to this little nut thing here. Click on that. It takes me to the settings page. I'm going to come all the way down here towards the bottom where it says your app settings, and I'm going to click on mail. Boom. Right there, it should flash up a left side panel. So I'm going to take this green cursor and travel all the way to the left. And I'm going to come down here to where it says accounts. And down from accounts, you'll see forwarding, right? I'll click on that. And from here, I can choose the email address I want to send my Peralta correspondence to. Or if I want, I can stop sending correspondence to any of my emails. I don't want to see it, but I do. So come in here, and whatever my email address is here, it already saved mine. So it's 123ABC. And well, actually, it's not going to show up unless I change this. So let me change it. Say ABC123. Okay. So from here, I can save this information, and voila, my Peralta correspondence is going to my Gmail account that is ABC123, right? So now I'm getting it. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope that it helps you get through this semester and semesters beyond. So I will end this by saying good luck to you all, and be blessed.